and welcome back to the channel. The second video. I'm not even sure if I put the first one up yet or not, but we're fitting the spoiler to my brother's Mark IV Astra. No, is it Mark V? It's Mark V. Yeah, the Astra H. So yeah, let's see if we can do it or if we make an absolute ash of it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of
Sun's in the way. The finished product there, looking very nice. See how long it lasts. The way he drives, probably not long. Sick. Yeah, it's not my favourite colour, but each to their own. We wrapped them. It's on a Vox on. Boom. Right, well, that's done. If you like the video, subscribe, like it. Cheers. And I'll see you next one. I'll see you.
Promise that you'll catch me.